Welcome to my channel. On this journey, I'm revisiting the Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's been 25 years since I've been to this hotel. Unfortunately, I was a little bit disappointed. Sad to say, it is not what it used to be. As you can see, prices range from $21 up to $250 or more. You want to pay attention to the final cost because you might be thinking you're getting a $20 room and you're really spending $60 in the end. The tower room, I think, is a good value if you get at the lower end. If you're paying at the higher end of that price point, then I question the value. One tip, make sure you get a physical key at the lobby. While the MGM mobile app is nice, it makes you use it as your key and to check in. Sometimes you might not have battery life on your cell phone or good cell service, so the physical key will come in handy. We were happy with the bed. We had a good night's sleep. Unfortunately, I was disappointed in the carpet, the baseboards, and the chairs, and some of the furniture had a lot of dust. It seemed like it hadn't been cleaned in quite a while. I recommend that you bring some flip-flops or socks to walk around. Don't go barefoot. Another tip, bring an extension cord to plug in all of your devices. We also bring a sound machine that helps block out noise and a door stopper. The door stopper just feels like extra security. The bathroom had a garden tub and a separate shower. Unfortunately, it wasn't clean enough for my personal preference, so I didn't take advantage of the tub or shower. Our room was advertised as renovated. I don't know when the last time it was renovated. However, I think it needs to be updated again. I was grateful for this price point that we paid on a Sunday. Most hotels on the strip are very expensive, and the Luxor was on the lesser end of that price point, which helped me because we came in at midnight that night, and I didn't want to pay $250 for a hotel room that I wasn't even going to take advantage of. We checked out and made our way to the Mandalay Bay and the Delano. The two hotels are connected. One great thing about the Luxor, Mandalay Bay, and the Delano is they're all attached by this pathway. This was a great shortcut. It keeps you from needing to get transportation to go to another hotel or even going outside when it's really hot. Once you cross over into the Mandalay Bay, you will pass a bunch of shops and restaurants. I want to share that the Luxor staff was fabulous, from the customer service over the phone to the spa attendants to the bellhop. They were great. They made the trip not frustrating. So even though I was really disappointed in the grounds, at least the customer service gave this resort a 3-star. We decided to get some food at the Irish pub. It was a great restaurant. I highly recommend it. We did share our fish and chips, the Caesar salad, and we got 3 pints of beer. With gratuity, we spent almost $100. Food is not cheap in Las Vegas. We spent an average of $70 to $100 on meals that we shared. Other meals, much higher, around $300 mark. To conclude, the Luxor Hotel is a good budget hotel. Just lower your expectations about what you will get, especially if you pay on the higher end of the price point. I do think you need to price compare because sometimes all the different fees will really add up and a good deal goes bad. Thanks for watching, and I hope you stick around for my upcoming videos.